It's 20 minutes later. I already finished fueling, topped off my tanks. If you're a lease out, right, isn't your goal is to save fuel since you're paying for it? So his truck is still running while he is inside, parked at the fuel island, not up at the ready line, and the door is unlocked. So I don't know, man. I know it doesn't take a rocket scientist to drive a truck, but damn, man, super ego.